Hey photo people, welcome to the Luminous-Landscape. Let's talk about the Ricoh GR4, Ricoh's newest compact camera that costs $1,499. Yes, $1,500 for a pocket camera. And yet somehow it kind of makes sense, but only if you live in a very specific photographic world. Before we dive in, if you want 30 years of camera reviews, gear breakdowns, and the kind of no-nonsense insight that doesn't get watered down by ad dollars, head over to theluminous-landscape.com and join our membership. It's $24 a year. It supports this channel and it'll help make you a better photographer. The link's in the description. All right, is a GR4 worth it? Here's the deal. The GR4 is a niche product with elite portability. It gives you a 25.7 megapixel APS-C sensor in a camera that literally fits in your pocket. That's not a metaphor, it really does fit in your pocket. The sensor is from the Sony A6700 but Ricoh paired it with their own GR Engine 7, which is supposed to give it cleaner, high ISO, and better dynamic range, though I don't think it's going to be game-changing. What is game-changing? The new 28mm f2.8 lens. It's edge-to-edge sharp, and it finally is fixing the corner mush that was in the GR3. Combine that with 5-axis image stabilization, 53 gigabytes of internal memory, a startup time of just 0.6 seconds. So this is a street shooter's dream camera. But here's the rub. For $1,499, you don't get 4K video. It also doesn't have an electronic viewfinder. It doesn't have a tilting screen. It doesn't have weather sealing. I don't think there's even a mic input on this thing. I really don't even think there's any video options even worth talking about. It's basic 1080p at 60 fps. And that's being generous that's what the specs says. In 2025, this feels dated, especially when the Fujifilm X100VI gives you all of that, plus a hybrid viewfinder and 6.2K video for just $100 more. So why does the GR4 still matter? The GR4 is built for street photographers, period. The fixed 28mm lens forces you to compose thoughtfully and within context. The snap focus system with preset distances and full press override makes one-handed shooting effortless. And it's practically invisible with how small it is. You look like a tourist, not a photographer. That's got some weight and value in street environments. Now the body, it's got a classic GR body, one-hand controls, exposure compensation rocker, command dials, and custom shortcuts. Now, there's no joystick, there's no flippy screen. It's really simple. There's no nonsense. This is a camera that gets out of your way. Let me be clear. Don't buy this camera if you want to shoot wildlife or sport, if you need different focal lengths, if you care about video, if you want EVF. This is not your all-in-one camera. It's not even trying to be. And yeah, the price hike from the GR3 $899 launch to $1,499, that stings, that's a lot. You're now in the luxury compact territory, sitting next to Fuji 6s and the Sony RX1s and even possibly low-end Leicas. Let's compare. GR4, 262 grams. It fits in your pocket, no frills, $1,499. Then we have the Fuji X100VI, which is 521 grams, 40 megapixels, hybrid viewfinder, weather resistance for $1,599. You could get the GR3, which is $699 used. It has an older sensor, a little bit less IBIS. You have the Sony A6700, and if you got a 20mm, like if you got all that, that would be $1,600, which gives you interchangeable lenses, 4K, but big thing, it's not pocketable. Okay, and now some of you, this may make you cringe, but you could also compare it to your phone. It's got great video, has decent photos, but some say maybe the phone lacks a little bit of soul. If you need real APS-C image quality in a truly pocketable camera, then this is it. Nothing else delivers that combo. So is the Ricoh GR4 worth it? Is it worth $14.99? Yes, if you know what you're getting and what you're getting yourself into, and if that's what you need. It's not for everybody, but it's not trying to be. It's a luxury tool for a small, committed group of shooters who love stealth and they love simplicity and always having it on them. If that's you, this camera nails it. So, if you want the full breakdown with side-by-side specs, check out our article at Luminous-Landscape.com. The link's in the description. And hey, if this helped you out, hit that like, click subscribe, and let us know in the comments, would you buy the Ricoh GR4 or would you buy something else? I'll say this, Ricoh made a bold move here. And in a world where smartphones dominate and mirrorless cameras rule, they still found a way to make the most compelling compact camera for a very specific kind of photographer. Stay luminous, stay bright, and find that perfect light. Take care, y'all.